Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: device hardware, OS version, and available camera drivers. Once verified, open the app and request camera permission, tap Allow, and choose while using the app to limit access. Make sure to also enable microphone if the app records sound, and check privacy settings to avoid background blocks. If another app already owns the camera, close it first. These steps let you move immediately into configuring resolution and focus without permission errors. Now you configure capture settings to match your use case. First, pick resolution and frame rate. 1080p at 30 FPS is a good balance, while 4K demands more CPU and storage. Then adjust autofocus, exposure, and white balance. Use auto for changing scenes, or lock them when lighting is steady to avoid flicker. Choose your output format, JPEG or HEIF for photos, MP4 for video, and enable stabilization, or HDR, to improve results. Once set, you're ready to preview and fine-tune composition. You're at the final steps. Frame your shot, tap to set focus, and capture. After recording, review immediately and save to the correct folder or upload to cloud backup. Make sure to manage file sizes, switch formats, or compress if storage is tight. If something goes wrong, first force close and reopen the app, then verify camera permissions and that no other app is using the hardware. If problems persist, reboot the device and, as a last resort, reinstall the app to reset access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.